In this video, we explore the intriguing question: do rattlesnakes survive forest fires? With their unique adaptations and behaviors, these fascinating reptiles face extreme conditions during wildfires. We will delve into how fire intensity impacts their survival, the ways they utilize habitats post-fire, and the broader ecological implications for their prey and reproduction. Join us as we discuss adaptation, resilience, and conservation concerns, alongside a compelling case study of timber rattlesnakes and prescribed burns, all while considering the intricate dynamics of human-wildlife interactions in the aftermath. 1. Rattlesnake behavior during forest fires. Rattlesnakes have developed specific behaviors to counter the immediate danger of forest fires. Unlike mammals that can quickly flee, snakes rely on seeking refuge. When a fire approaches, rattlesnakes often retreat to underground burrows or crevices, where they are shielded from the intense heat. This behavior is not just instinctual but a well-documented survival tactic observed in various environments. For example, during the 2019 Australian wildfires, many reptiles, including snakes, were found seeking shelter in human structures. This highlights their ability to adapt and use available resources to escape the flames. 2. Impact of fire intensity on survival rates. The intensity of a forest fire significantly affects rattlesnake survival rates. Low-intensity fires may allow these snakes to survive by hiding underground, but high-intensity fires can be deadly. Research has shown that montane rattlesnakes exposed to intense fires often do not survive, underscoring the lethal nature of severe fires. The heat can penetrate even the ground, making underground refuges insufficient for protection. This emphasizes the importance of understanding fire dynamics and how they impact wildlife. 3. Post-fire habitat utilization. After a forest fire, the landscape undergoes dramatic changes, which can affect rattlesnake behavior and habitat use. Interestingly, studies on northern Pacific rattlesnakes reveal that they do not necessarily avoid burned areas. This adaptability could be due to the new availability of prey or suitable microhabitats in the altered environment. The charred landscape might seem hostile, but for rattlesnakes, it can offer new opportunities and challenges that they are equipped to handle. 4. Effects on prey availability. Forest fires can drastically alter the availability of prey species for rattlesnakes. A decline in small mammal populations, which are primary prey for these snakes, can lead to reduced food resources. This scarcity can impact snake health and reproduction. However, some studies suggest that early successional habitats, which emerge after a fire, might actually see an increase in prey abundance. This paradox highlights the complex ecological interactions that fire introduces into an ecosystem. 5. Reproductive implications. The stress and habitat alterations caused by forest fires can influence rattlesnake reproduction. Females may experience delayed breeding or reduced clutch sizes due to decreased prey availability and habitat suitability. This reproductive impact can have long-term consequences on rattlesnake populations. The need for extended studies is crucial to fully understand how these changes affect their reproductive strategies and overall population dynamics. 6. Conservation concerns. Frequent and intense forest fires pose significant threats to rattlesnake populations, especially for species already at risk. Conservationists must consider fire management practices that mitigate negative impacts on these reptiles. Creating refugia or implementing controlled burns during periods when snakes are less active could be effective strategies. Protecting these vital components of the ecosystem is essential for maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. 7. Adaptation and resilience. Despite the challenges posed by forest fires, rattlesnakes have demonstrated remarkable resilience. Their ability to utilize altered habitats and adjust behaviors post-fire indicates a level of adaptability that aids their survival. This resilience is a testament to the evolutionary success of rattlesnakes, allowing them to thrive even in the face of significant environmental changes. 8. Case study. Timber rattlesnakes and prescribed burn. A study on timber rattlesnakes in the eastern United States examined their responses to prescribed burns. While some individuals perished due to the timing of the burns, others showed enhanced growth and body condition post-burn. This suggests that prescribed burns, when carefully timed and managed, can have complex interactions with rattlesnake ecology. Understanding these interactions is key to developing conservation strategies that benefit both the ecosystem and the species within it. 9. Human-wildlife interactions post-fire. Following forest fires, rattlesnakes may venture into human-inhabited areas in search of shelter and food. This increased interaction can lead to conflicts, underscoring the need for public awareness and education. By understanding snake behavior and promoting coexistence, humans can reduce potential conflicts and foster a harmonious relationship with these fascinating creatures. 10. Conclusion. Rattlesnakes exhibit a range of responses to forest fires, influenced by factors such as fire intensity, habitat changes, and prey availability. While they possess certain adaptive behaviors that aid in survival, the increasing frequency and severity of wildfires present ongoing challenges. Continued research is essential to develop effective conservation strategies that ensure the persistence of rattlesnake populations in fire-prone landscapes.